This is the real Avid AR15 Micro Tool.
It's where tactical meets practical. In this tiny tool, you'll find these precision AR15 tools: a pin punch, a bolt tail scraper, firing pin scrapers, a bolt face scraper, and a front sight adjuster. In addition, the AR15 Micro Tool includes a bottle opener, 5 hex wrenches, a 5mm bit driver, a flathead screwdriver, a cord cutter, a carabiner, a 1-inch ruler, a keyring with strap, and all stainless steel construction. The real Avid AR15 Micro Tool, a kick butt keychain for AR owners.